What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kelsey and I are just about to head out and go up to, I believe it's, what's the lake called up there? Is it Chehalis Lake? I think it's called Chehalis Lake. We're going to take the Fozzie. We've been camping in the trailer for about 3 days now. I think we're on our third or fourth day now. And we got a couple more days left, but we figured we may as well get up and going out while it's going to be kind of nice today. It's supposed to rain a little bit, but tomorrow it's just supposed to pour. So we figured tomorrow's just going to be a chill day, hang out, play some cards, and hang out by the fire. We got a decent amount of wood for the next 2 days. Fire pit, Cooper. But yeah, Kelsey's just washing her face, getting all pretty for Mother Nature, I guess. And yeah, I brought the GoPro, and it's a little bit of a, I think it's a FVR for a logging road. I think that's what they're called, FVRs. I might be wrong on that, but let's get to today's video. Alright, so I kind of forgot to bring my drone, and this is the first lake that is down here. Once we go up a little bit more, it gets to a nicer lake. And for this to be like, this is like a, how would you describe this compared to the other lake? This is like a knockoff to the lake we're about to see. And this is already beautiful. And I really regret not bringing my drone. I looked at it before we packed for camping. I was like, oh, I'm probably not going to need that.
So always bring everything.
Yeah, but this place, hopefully I don't fall in the water. Ugh. It's just gorgeous. Now before we go too far with the Fozzie, I'm actually going to air down a bit. We're running about 40 PSI on the tires, and it's kind of a rough ride. I have them high for better fuel economy and when I was towing the trailer, so let's air them down and keep going. So we have arrived. This is where we're parked up. Sit. Ooh, it's so nice. We're gonna go down there, see what it looks like. Y'all ready for this? So beautiful. I brought my drone the last time we came out here, which was like a few years ago, but it was piss and rain and I couldn't get it up, so now I regret not bringing my drone at all. As you can tell, my dog's a chicken shit to go in the water. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Go get it.
They keep stepping on it. Oh,
Yeah, I just wanted the wiggle. How do you like it out here?
It's nice.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
We should go back. Where you going? Come here. This is a nice little campsite here. I think Kelsey and I are gonna try and come up here one day, or even maybe we'll come up for a couple nights. It's about 30 kilometers up the forestry road, Chehalis River Forestry Road, I think it's what it's called. It's quite the trek to get up here. Like, I don't know if you can hear me with all the noise going on in here, but this is what we came into. I have GoPro footage of it. You guys probably saw it on the way in, but yeah. Oh. This is what it took to get in here. This is why my Forester is always broken and I always have to replace parts. Alright, so we just got back to our campsite. This is what we come back to. Our tarp ripped right on the corner there. It was up there, but it looks like the whole corner of the tarp ripped. Balls. Well, I guess you get to watch me put up the tarp.
Start it up. This is lit.
I don't know about you guys, but when we camp, we don't really do too much. We just kind of hang out, play cards, sit by the fire. That's about it. Currently making Kelsey some hot chocolate. Kelsey's playing solitaire. She's cheating, but she's cheating. Kelsey and I played cards 5 games, and I won every single game.
He cheats.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me how I cheated.
Just cheats.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the day. I don't know if we're gonna get up to too much. Kelsey's parents are coming out later tonight, maybe. Gonna cook up some burgers, hang out by the fire, maybe read a little bit, and that's about it. So if anything exciting comes up, I will get you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so I think that's going to be it for today's episode. We didn't get up to too much this afternoon. I'm just starting up a fire to get ready for the night. We got to burn through all this wood tonight because we're going to actually leave tomorrow instead of the next day. We want to give ourselves a day to just kind of clean up and get ready for the week coming up. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure you guys came on today and this day of camping. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one, and we'll see you later.